So guys, in today's video I'm just going to show you guys quickly how to sell and buy coins on Trust Wallet easily. That is to buy coins from Pancakeswap, be it Ethereum coins or BNB, that is per 20 coins. So let's just jump right into the video. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon to receive notifications. So let's go to my Trust Wallet. Alright, so open the DAB browser, then you go down, let's wait for it to load. Alright, so you scroll down. If you open your Trust Wallet like this and you will go to this DAB browser at the bottom here, okay, then you scroll down, you click on Pancakeswap. Then if this is on Ethereum, so if this is on Ethereum network, then you change it from Ethereum to Smart Chain. But if you are using Uniswap, you are going to change it to Ethereum. So we are using the Smart Chain. You can see the logo there. So let's wait for it to load. Let me pause and play the video back. Alright, so very quickly you can see that the wallet, the Pancakeswap.finance has loaded. So in your own case, if you have not used Pancakeswap before, you can see that this thing will be disconnected at this top right corner. So you can, let me disconnect it and show you guys how to connect it. So I've disconnected it. You see where it will tell you to connect your wallet at the top right corner. This place, you can see it's telling you to connect your wallet. So what you do is you click on the connect wallet, then you click on Trust Wallet. Since we are using Trust Wallet, if you are using MetaMask, you click on MetaMask, but since we are using Trust Wallet, you click on Trust Wallet, then it has connected. So you can see my balance on the BNB. So if you want to buy any coin, let me just give you an example of maybe a coin to buy. And in this video I'm going to show you guys a trick, or I will call it a hack, on how to buy coins with lower slippage. So just hang around and wait for the trick. Just watch this video to the end. Right, so we click on select a currency, so that we'll choose a coin that we're going to buy or sell into. But let's just click on ADA. Okay, so yes, you click on ADA, you click on maximum, or you can click on the amount of BNB that you want to buy for the ADA. Let me just use a coin that I already have in my wallet so that it will be more easier. Okay, let's just use this. Alright, so you click on I understand. This notification is mainly to tell you that some coins are scam coins, and you trying to swap it might cause you to lose. You might lose your money, and it might even cause your wallet being compromised. So you click on I understand, and you then import the coin. So if you have imported the coin, you click on, if you want to sell, if you want to buy, you just click on maximum, or you can impute the amount. You can impute the amount to now tell you how many of the BNB you are buying it will give you for the coin you are buying into. So you can see this is the estimated value of what it will give you. So the trick here is that if you are buying any coin like this, what you do is that you click on these settings, all right, not the top one, but this settings, sorry, this one. You click on that, then you change the slippage. Right, I think it's okay. You change the slippage to 1.0%. right, so you cancel it. You put it in 1.1%. So what you do is that you can see that to estimated is here. All right, so we're going to be changing the to estimated to the from. Just watch how I'm going to do it and I will explain. So what you do is that you tap on the last zero or the last digit in the coin you are buying into. You click on the last zero or any value there. You cancel that value. Since it's zero, you cancel the zero. You just wait for it to load. Then you put back the zero again. You cancel the zero, then you put back the zero or any value. You can see the to estimated now. Estimated is now here. You can see. So if you are buying in 1% slippage now, it will buy, but I don't have sufficient BNB, so that's just the trick to buy any coin. But to sell any coin, I think the trick doesn't really work to sell coins because of some of these coins are coded from scratch with a strong smart contract. So what you do if you want to sell the coin you are holding, what you do is you click on this. Right, you click on it, it will now swap places. You can see now it's now from what we are buying to what we are buying from. All right, so you now click on maximum, you now just sell. So sometimes you might be using 1% slippage and it will tell you something, an error might pop up and it will tell you that you don't have enough the gas, it will just tell you an error doing Pancakeswap router, something like that. So you have to change the slippage here. So you go back to here again. All right, you go back to there. Then you change the slippage. You start the slippage from 8. You put 8. If it doesn't still work, you put 9. You put 10. But mostly for coins, the slippage that works for most coins is 8, 5. 12, 15, and some coins 25, and some coins 28. But let me explain the slippage part. If you're buying a coin worth $100, you're buying a coin worth $100, and the slippage that you used to buy the coin is 25%, or you use like 10% slippage to buy the coin, that means they're going to take 10% of the $100, and 10% of $100 will be $10. So they will be charging you $10 for buying the coin, for buying or selling the coin. So for buying, I've showed you the trick to use to avoid those losses. But in selling the coin, I don't think there's more of like a trick to do that, because these coins their smart contracts are strong, because I've already bought the coin. So to sell the coin off, and be careful about honeypots. Some coins are honeypots, and some coins are honeypots. You might buy the coin and you'll be unable to sell the coin back. So you have to check on Pancakeswap, on BSC Scan, check on PooCoin.app to see about the coin, how the chart is moving, if people are buying the coin, if people are selling. You check for the red candles in the charts to see how many people are selling, and if people are selling, as you are buying the coin. All right, so that's how to buy and sell works. It's the same procedure in Uniswap. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So let me show you about the PooCoin app. But if you don't have, but you should know that if you want to buy or sell any coin, you have to have the contract address of the coin. All right. If you have the contract address and you just want to buy straight, you click on that place. It will tell you to select the currency. You click on there, then you paste the address of what you have chosen. You paste the address there. So that's just simple. Then about PooCoin, I'll just go to PooCoin now. I'll show you how to do that. So you can see search name or paste the address. When you have copied the contract address of the coin you want to buy or to sell from BSC Scan. All right, so that's just it. So let's just jump right straight into BSC Scan. Let me show you how to get your contract address and how to even check the available balance of your coins, total coins, so that you can see whether you received airdrops. You can see how many coins are in your wallet, but you have not activated them, you have not toggled them. So let's go back. So we click on, maybe let's copy this, because this is per 20 coins, so it's our BSC address. We go to Chrome, then we enter here address. We enter bscscan.com, bscscan.com. That's where you're going to be searching. So let me write it. Just BSC scan. bsscan.com. Write it as well. So when you enter there, you paste your address that you have copied, your own smart chain address. You paste it where it says search by address, TXN hash and stuff like that. You just paste it there, and you see that okay, in my wallet I have a total of 72 coins. So what you do is you click on the down on the button that shows downward stuff. Okay, sometimes it might not, it will just be misbehaving, so you refresh the website. You see it has not even loaded finish, so you can just see, and you can click on it. You can see these are the coins that I have in my wallet. You can let me just show you quickly. You can see the coins that I have in my wallet. You can see them. So let me just go to this one of the coins, and let me show you how to get the contract address. So when you enter the coin, okay, what to do is go down. You can see where it says profile summary. You can see where it says contract. This is the contract address of this coin. Alright, so you click on this thing to copy it, then you go straight into your Pancakeswap to buy. But first, I will not advise you to buy it, to rush to buy the coin. What you do is that when you have copied it, you have to search the coin. Right, click on the contract. Click on the contract so that you know people's comment. You can see people's comment and know how far people are talking about the coin. So you click on the contract. You can see this coin in the wallet of the owner of this coin. He has about $82,000. So you click on token tracker. You click on the fake token. All right, you can see people's comments. So you just click on there. Then okay, we're here. So this coin has 680,000 addresses. You can search. You can click on the comment section here to find out what you're looking for. Then this transfer section, you also have to check it to see how many people are buying and selling the coins through Pancakeswap. You see that's through Pancakeswap. Then okay, it's going where you can see swap token buy. People are buying from the FEG website, and people are selling. People are selling on the FEG and buying on the FEG website. You know they have the website, you can sell FEG, and you can go to get FEG faucet reward. So the next thing you could do is you go to poolcoin.app. You can see how I spelled it. Then you click on it. Okay, you have opened the poolcoin app. First of all, if you copy the contract address, you just come straight to poolcoin.app. You paste the contract address on this poolcoin.app. You see the chart. You see how many people are buying and selling the coin. You see how the coin is moving. All right. And when you see that, you will know that yes, you're right on track. So you don't buy useless type of coins. Okay. So in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to connect your wallet to this poolcoin.app, your trust wallet to this poolcoin.app, so that you can easily just see the value of the worth and the value of what you are holding in your wallet. So you see where it says enter token name / address. All these things are just simple. You click on there, you paste the address. You paste the address there. When you paste the address there, you now see a big chart. Let me just touch on one of the coins. You then see a big chart of the coin. It will load. It will tell you the price of the coin there now. So you can see the price of this coin is $0.026. Then you go down. So if I would advise you to buy any coin now, I would advise you to buy this baby flocky. You can buy this baby flocky because since they're running about, a lot of people are going to be hopping on into the project. So you just wait for it to. You have to wait. Pause this video because I can't just waste time. It's even loaded. So you can see people are selling, people are buying. The green candle is for buys, and the red candle is for sales. People are buying, people are selling. Okay, that's you are convinced that okay, this is not an honeypot web project. So that's just it. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.